Hi, I'm Vanessa. I completed the MSc in Cognitive Neuroscience in 2022, and I'm now in my second year working towards a PhD in Cognitive Neuroscience and Neuroimaging here in the Department of Psychology at York. Over the next few minutes, I will tell you a little bit about my experience of the MSc course and how it prepared me for PhD research. So, to start out with a bit of background, Cognitive Neuroscience examines the biological processes that help us to understand complex mental functions such as memory, language, emotion, perception, attention, and consciousness. While psychology focuses on understanding the structure of the mind through behavioral experiments, neuroscience provides a window on how these processes occur in the brain. The MSc in Cognitive Neuroscience course gives you unique access to the York Neuroimaging Centre, where you'll have opportunities for hands-on experience of functional magnetic resonance imaging, or fMRI, magnetoencephalography, or MEG, electroencephalography, EEG, and transcranial magnetic stimulation, also known as TMS. You'll learn how to design, analyze, and evaluate neuroimaging experiments, and see how they contribute to our understanding of brain mechanisms. The course consists of both taught modules and a substantial empirical project. The taught modules place neuroimaging in the wider context of cognitive neuroscientific research, and they introduce you to the principles and design of neuroimaging, as well as the specialist methods required for the analysis of data gathered from experiments. In the latter part of the course, your research project will enable you to participate in the design and implementation of a piece of pure applied research in cognitive neuroscience. You'll receive hands-on training in advanced brain imaging methods, some of which are being developed here at York. Your project gives you the opportunity to undertake a novel piece of empirical work in a range of project areas. These projects will be supervised by an academic member of staff. Different projects are available each year, but examples of recent MSc students' projects include using fMRI to investigate the processing of emotional and social cues, the representation of semantic knowledge in the brain, the mechanisms underpinning language understanding, face processing, number processing, or anxiety and risky behaviour, using MEG and TMS to investigate brain mechanisms for memory for words and pictures, and finally, connectivity patterns between brain regions and auditory perception. So, whatever your interests, you're bound to be able to conduct a research project that will be exciting and stimulating to you. Our department is purpose-built with superb teaching and data collection facilities. Lectures will take place in state-of-the-art lecture theatres, equipped with multiple screens for presentations, audio amplification, and lecture recording facilities. You'll have access to a multimodal action perception laboratory, an EEG lab, TMS lab, and purpose-built sleep lab, as well as the York Neuroimaging Centre, which is equipped with 2 MRI scanners and an MEG scanner. Completing this MSc course has been incredibly valuable to me in terms of preparing me for my PhD. It has provided me with the skills necessary to execute high-level neuroscience research, from conception of a project to the analysis of the acquired data. Having done my master's here in the Department of Psychology has also allowed me to experience firsthand how supportive and open the research culture is here, which has definitely contributed to me applying for and taking up a PhD position in this department. All in all, I genuinely can't recommend this course enough, and I do hope that you'll consider joining our wonderful department.